We want to integrate this expression, which means we need to get it into the correct form first. First consider the 3x minus 2 squared in the numerator. We need to expand this bracket, which I'm going to do using a grid. 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times minus 2 is minus 6x, the same here, and plus 4. So we get 9x squared minus 12x plus 4, and that needs to be divided by root x, which we can write as x to the half. We need to split this fraction, 9x squared over x to the half, minus 12x over x to the half, plus 4 over x to the half. We're dividing here, so we subtract indices. 2 take away a half is 1 1/2, or 3 over 2. X to the 1 divided by x to the half, we subtract the indices, and we get x to the half, and of course this one is 4x to the minus half. So this is the expression that we need to integrate, as it's now in the correct form. We take each term in turn. So increase the power by 1 and divide by the new power. Write down the 12, increase the power by 1, and divide by the new power. And once again, write down the 4, increase the power by 1, and divide by the new power. Dividing by a fraction, so the fraction flips upside down, the 2 will go to the top, multiplying the 9, giving 18, and the 5 stays on the bottom. Here, the 2 will flip to the top, multiplying the 12, and the 3 stays on the bottom. And here, the 2 will flip to the top, multiplying the 4, giving 8, and the 1 stays on the bottom. We should of course remember our constants, and tidying, this term does not tidy. 24 divided by 3 is 8, and of course we wouldn't normally write the 1 in the denominator.